What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSJ254. You tune in for another one. We about to do this unboxing. Today's package coming from my boy from the beginning. You know what I'm saying? Steve motherfucking Davis. But nah, man, shit, so if I need some shit these days, bro, like if it's not something that I'm ordering from like Amazon or whatever, like it's really only two people that I really fuck with, like in some of these aftermarket parts right now. You know what I'm saying? Two people that I really dearly trust, you know what I'm saying, with my business. And that's Box Chevy World on IG. You know what I'm saying? I know him in a more personal capacity, but for y'all, it's Box Chevy World on IG, and my boy Steve Davis. Them two guys, man, stand up, humble dudes. They word is really they motherfucking bond. And in this day and age, like, there's something that's very, very, very hard to come by. Motherfuckers will be in your face, lying, stealing, ratting, selling you out, bro. Like, you can't trust nobody these days. But these two dudes right here, man, Steve Davis and Box Chevy World on IG, bro, like, I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt, bro. Like, they solid. They solid. And for somebody like me that got a real small circle, like, that's saying a lot. Like, y'all ain't seen me really fool with a lot of people in these videos over the years, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying, those definitely some solid dudes. You know what I'm saying? My circle has been growing a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But, like, it ain't for everybody, you know what I'm saying? It really ain't. Anyway, on to the unboxing. So, as y'all know, we trying to get back on the cars and everything this year. So we making sure that we got everything that we need for said cars. So for Delores, which is the LS trifecta, which is LS and the LS and the LS, which is the 1989 LS Chevy Brougham, LS Chevrolet, or 1989 Chevy Caprice Classic LS Brougham. Like a pimp named Slickback, you say the whole thing, you dig? So this is a piece that we picked up from him. No, he does not sell this piece. He is not like the manufacturer or the, none of that. He just happened to have one and I bought it from him. You know what I'm saying? So, however, Steve got some stuff over there. You know what I'm saying? If you're trying to get your interior right on your Box Chevy, man, or your G body, or, you know what I'm saying, other bills, then Steve is definitely the man you need to talk to, man. If you need other miscellaneous parts and stuff, then you go holler at Box Chevy World. It ain't nobody else that I'm really putting the LS Chevy boom motherfucking stamp on. But them two right there, solid dudes, without a shadow of a doubt. Place my order and be done with it. But anyway, let's get to the at this point, you know what I'm saying? You can see what we got. So this is the metal double DIN, as you can see, thing for the Box Chevy. So mine has the two knobs in the 89, and yeah. So this is what I need to put a double DIN in there. They do have other kits, man. I really didn't like the way that they look. This is solid. Like, this is going to hold. Like, this is gonna hold your radio in place. You know what I'm saying? Very nice I mean, I don't really gotta, like, this piece right here don't need no introduction because a lot of people have been rocking with it already. But as you can see, man, very nice finish and everything like that. So I got a double den coming. That's another video, and we're gonna get that in style. So shout out to my bro Steve Davis. I seen you put it up. I was like, yo, I've been thinking about it. I'm like, yo, I need that. And of course, you know, 2024 is just a year of no procrastination for me. 2023, man, I lost my mama, and it put more so into realization more than ever before, bro, that tomorrow is not promised. Know what I'm saying? I've always been standing on that productivity over procrastination, bro, but I mean it for real this year. Like, on a whole nother level. I know that a lot of videos and things hadn't been rolling out over here on this channel because we were doing things on the other channel with the Harley, which we have made leaps and bounds with that Harley, bro. Like, if you into bikes, go check out that other channel, man. LSHD 254 for Harley Davidson 254. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, go check that out if y'all into that, man. But yeah, it's tomorrow not promised, bro, and it's grind time, baby. You know what I'm saying? So we got a goal of trying to have the photo ready for Texas Whip Fest, which is June 22nd of this year. Also, please do remember we got the turbo giveaway going on February 25th, and then a winner will be announced. So make sure you go comment on that video. Oh, I got one more other thing I can show y'all. I can put it into this video as well. Let me go get it. So this other part, that's what I like about this wireless microphone. I can continue to talk and not be anywhere in front of the camera. Wireless mic for the win. It's raining outside today. That's why I'm not actually outside. So I was like, well, let me do some of these unboxings, part reveals, etc., etc. So you can see here, these is the opera lights. You can tell they got them from somewhere else, and I ain't mad at it. It's business. But we got opera lights. I think I got another set of opera lights. But I got opera lights for the box too, so we finna get busy, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make the shift. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity or procrastination. Now remember, focus don't stop, your mind don't stop. Gone.